3.
Okay. Is 4 prime?
No.
It is not. What comes after 4?
5.
Is 5 prime?
5 prime. Yes.
Okay. How about 6?
6. 6 right there is not prime.
That's right, because it's divisible by 2 and 3. How about 7?
7 prime.
Okay. Give me the next number after 7 that is prime. We'll stop there because that's probably the last one we'll need today.
11.
11. Good. We may not even need 11. Okay, so let's say we start with the square root of 12.
Okay.
Have you heard of a factored ladder or a factor tree?
Yeah, I heard of it before.
Which one?
The factor tree is where you be able to find the true factorization for the number that is divisible by.
That's right. So 12, you start with 2. What is 12 divided by 2?
12 divided by 2 is 6.
6. Now you try it again. Is 6 divisible by 2?
6 divisible by 2. Yes, it's 3.
Very good. Now notice how there's prime numbers on the leaves. Do you see how the leaves have prime numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, so for each pair, you bring one out of the root, out. So our
Okay.
answer has stuff that goes on the outside, and stuff that goes on the inside. Anything that we don't consume goes back on the inside. Now for each pair, you bring one out. So you're just going to bring one of these 2's out. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And on the inside, what's left over on the inside? What have you not consumed?
3.
3. Any questions on that?
Any questions on that? No.
Okay. Let's try another one here. How about the square root of 20? What is the first number that you should try to divide 20 by?
Divide 20 by 4.
No. What is the smallest prime number?
2.
2. It's 20 divisible by 2.
10.
10. Try it again.
Okay. 10 is divisible by 5.
You try 2 again. 2 times 5.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now for each pair, what happens to the pair?
Okay.
What happens to the pair? We just did it from just like this.
It just it multiplies.
No. Let's go back and look at the previous problem. What did we do to the pair of 2's here?
The pair of 2's here, they were out.
You bring one out. See how there's a
Yeah.
2 on the outside?
2 on the outside. The 2 on the outside, yes.
So what do you do to this pair here?
What?
I don't know. What I'm asking you, what do you do with the pair?
The pair. Okay. So the pair right there, you just have to just get rid of it and make you just have to get rid of you have to oh wait, I got it. You have to divide by 2.
Okay, let's go back and look. What did we do with the pair of 2's here in the previous problem?
They were out.
You bring one out. See how there's 1, 2 on the outside?
Yes.
Okay, let's go look at your problem.
You take 1, 2 out right over there and makes it
That's
2
right.
and 5.
2 square root of 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try another one. Square root of 44.
Square root of 44.
What is the first number that we try? What's the smallest prime number?
The smallest prime number, it is 2.
Okay.
2
2
times
times.
22.
Okay, keep going.
And then 22 is divisible by 11 times 2.
Okay, so what is your final
So you
answer?
have to get rid of 2 and it makes it 2 and 11.
So your final answer has to have this form.
Yes, 2 the thing, whatever it's called.
Well, let's talk about it. It's called a square root.
Yeah, 2 square root of 11.
Okay, so you have to say that and you have to write it. So 2 square root 11.
Yep.
Any questions on that before I give you one to try?
No.
Okay. I want you to figure out the square root of 28, please.
Okay.
Give me the final answer.
Hmm. Two square root of 7.
Very good. 2 square root of 7. All right. So now we're looking at a new problem here. This is number on your sheet here. Sorry, I'm trying to get back to your sheet. We're going to do number 15 now on your sheet.
Okay.
The square root of 18. Okay. So the square root of 18, we're going to break it apart here. 2 goes in. That's 9. But does 2 go into 9?
2 and 9. No.
No. Does 3?
Yep.
It's 3 and 3. So sometimes the pairs aren't where you expect them to be. So this time you bring a 3 out, but what is left inside?
Left inside. What is left inside is what is left inside is 2.
That's right. So this becomes 3 square root 2.
Yeah.
So doesn't matter where the pairs are. The pair is what comes out if there's another number.
Wait a minute. How is it 3 square? Wait a minute. I think it's because because 3 is first.
There are a pair of 3s, Sourish.
Okay, a pair of 3, and then why is it how come it's square root 2 for 3?
Because the 2 is unused. 2 does not have a pair to go. It doesn't have a match to go with it.
Okay. Okay. All right.
All right, let's look at another one together here. Let's look at the square root of 50.
Square root of 50. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So what number do you try first?
The number I try first. Okay. What you need to do is first off, it's 2 and 25.
Okay.
25 is divisible by 5 and 5, so it makes a 5 square root of 2.
5 square root of 2. Good. All right. You really got that down. So let me give you one to try on your own here. Square root of 98.
Okay. 7 square root of 2.
Good, really good. Okay, so the next type of problem you will see has more than one pair that you can factor out. All right, so let's look at an example of that. Let's look at the square root of 48. This is number 10 on your list. So this is broken apart as 2 and 24,
Okay.
2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. This time there are 2 pairs. So I'm circling 2 pairs. And for each pair, you bring one out. So you bring a 2 out and you bring a 2 out. These are on the out. Everything left over is going to be on the in. So the 3 is in the in.
Okay.
So your answer is, well, what's out? Well, there's a 2 times a 2 on the out. What's on the in?
3.
3.
Yeah.
It's 4 square root 3.
Okay.
All right. Ready to try one here on your own?
I'll take a handle it.
All right, so let's do square root. I'll have you try the square root of 32, please.
Okay. Two, 4 square root of 4.
Okay, let's look at this together here. Pretty close.
You know what? Maybe no, 2 square root of 4.
Okay, so 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. Does your factor tree look like this?
Yeah, kinda, yes.
Well, either does or doesn't. I mean, if you have the same numbers on the outside.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
that's right.
Okay, so we're gonna circle pairs. There's a pair. There's a pair. So how many 2s do you bring out?
How many 2s do I bring out?
Yes.
You bring out 4 of them.
You bring out 1 for each.
Yeah, 1 for each.
So there's 2 and a 2 that you bring out. What's left over? What stays on the inside?
Stays on the inside. The inside, what stays on the inside is 2 and
So there's 2 and a 2 on the outside and a
yeah,
2
make
on the
it 2 and
inside.
4. 2 in the square root of 4.
Okay. So it's 4 square root 2.
Yeah. Yep, that's right.
Okay, let's do another one here. Let's go. Did we do the square root of 72? We have not. Okay, so here's one for you to try on your own. Square
Okay.
root of 72, please.
All right. Three square root of 4.
Okay, so you say it's 3 square root 4, right?
Yep.
What number did you try first?
I tried out 2 divided by 72.
Okay, what does that become?
36.
Good. And you try 2 again?
I use 36 to divide it by 36 by 6.
Can't do that. You have to try 2 again.
Oh wow. Okay. I think
Okay.
mhm.
Okay, so rework the problem from here. And let me know what you come up with. The answer you gave me is not correct.
Okay.
How are you doing on this one,
Yep, I
Sourish?
got I already got it.
Okay, what is your final answer?
3 square root of 4. That's the answer. I just figured it out.
Okay, Sourish, I just crossed that out here. I mean, if you give me the same thing and I tell you it's wrong, I mean, it's gonna be wrong again.
Okay, let's go through the problem. So 18, and then you have to divide 18 by 2, and then it's going to give you 9. And then if you 2 can't divide by 9, so you have to use 3. And
Good.
3.
So you circle
Mhm.
pairs. This is a pair and
Yep.
this is a pair. So what
Yeah.
comes out?
The 2 and the 2 and the 3 and the 3.
Just one of them comes out. 2 comes out for that pair. 3, only one of them comes out. And then
Yep.
what's the number you did not use?
2.
That stays in. So this is 2 times 3 square root of 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna take just a short break, like 2 or 3 minutes here. I'll check back with you and we'll keep going on some more problems, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to charge my computer.
Sourish, let me know when you're ready. We can get started.
Okay, we can get back to it.
Okay. So we're looking for pairs. Okay, that's the key thing here is you're really looking for pairs when we do this. Okay. So let's try a new
Okay.
one here. Let's go let's see here. Let's go 550, the square root of 550. Okay.
Okay.
So does 2 work for this?
Oh, kinda, yes, yes.
Yes, it works. This and this
75.
275.
Are you kidding me now? This is gonna be a bigger one.
So the next thing you look for is does 5 work?
It's 5
I'm
work.
sorry. I'm sorry. I gave you a bad number here. I apologize. I don't. This is not the right number to do. We're gonna do the square root of 450. Sorry about that. So it's 2 and 225. Okay. Now, is this number 225? Is it divisible by 3?
Is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
Kinda, yeah.
Well, it's not kind of. It's either a yes or no. So you add up the digits.
75.
It is 75. Now you try 3 again. Does 75 is 75 divisible by 3?
75 divisible by 3. Yes.
Yes. So that's 3 and
Mm-hmm. 3.
25. Now does
Mhm.
3 go into 25?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. What's
No.
next? What's the next prime number after 3?
5.
5.
That's just 5.
Now
And
what are
it's
the
5 square root of 3.
Sarge, what are the pairs?
The pairs. Okay, the 3,
There's a pair of 3s. Or is there any other pairs?
2, and 5.
Do you understand what a pair is?
Yes, yes, 2 numbers.
Okay, that are
of
the
the same
same.
pair.
So is there another pair here?
No. No,
What
there's
about
not.
the, what about those at the bottom?
Yes, that one too.
Okay, so I mean, so what comes out? What two numbers come out?
Two numbers come out. Okay. What two numbers come out? All right. It's 5 square root of 6.
Sourish, I'm not asking for the final answer. I'm asking for what numbers come out.
3, 3.
3 comes out as well. What numbers or number stays in?
2.
2. Okay, so again, it's the square root. There's the out and there's the in. What goes in the out? What two numbers?
The 2.
What two numbers come out?
3 and 5. 3 and 5.
So 3 times 5. What's inside?
Inside 3 and 5 again.
Sourish, like we've done this so many times. If it's a pair, it comes out. If it's not, it stays in.
Um 2.
2 stays in.
Yeah.
Okay. What is 3 times 5?
3 times 5 is 15.
All right. Let's try another one here.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Square root of 252. Do you want to try this one on your own?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Build your factor tree. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay.
How are you doing on this one?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
Do you need help breaking this apart?
No, I got this. I got this.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, what is your final answer?
My final answer is for 21, I got 3 times 7. And now that is gonna be what I'm gonna tell you is that the answer is the answer is 3 square root of 7.
Okay, what number goes on the outside?
Of 7.
This is the inside under the root. This is the outside. Which number goes inside or outside?
3 and 3 is on the outside and 7 is on the inside.
Okay. All right, let's work this out together. What is 126 divided by 2?
63.
Okay, do you see that you have a pair of twos already?
Yeah.
So that means you're gonna bring a two out,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Oh, sorry, this is 63, not 163. Okay, 63 divided by 3 is
63 divided by 3 is 21.
good. Try it again.
21. 21 divided by 3 is 7.
Okay, what numbers are on the outside, Sourish? Start up here. What number do you see?
2.
And then,
2.
is that a pair?
Yes.
Okay,
And
so
3 and 3 are the pairs too.
so what do you do with the pair? You bring one out.
One out and leave
there-
the other one in.
No, that it consumes it. You just, it ties them together. It's like folding up socks.
Okay.
The 3, you bring it out. So what are you bringing on the outside? What two numbers?
I'm sorry, my dad was there. He's just
You can do it. You can do it. I'll come then. You finish it,
Okay.
you know, in the time.
2 and 3.
Okay, so 2 times 3 on the outside.
Mhm.
And then
6.
that 7 stays on the inside.
Yeah, 6 square root of 7.
Yes. A little bit different than what you said, but yeah, the final answer is 6 squared root 7. Good. Okay, let's have you try a couple from
We
your
can
paper.
be done for today.
That's up to you. Is that okay with your dad?
Yeah. Dad, we are done.
You should have fun.
We are done.
Sure.
Okay, we're done.